How to fix Instagram video glitch on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram video glitch on Android or iOS phone. First you need to do here is to go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find apps. Click apps again. Now type here Instagram, click on it. Click storage, clear cache, and then click permissions. Give it all of those permissions here. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back, close all the applications in the background, then restart your phone and try again. Go to settings and then battery, make sure performance mode is enabled, or you can just make sure power saving mode is disabled, and that's it. If that also doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.